How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of a hickey for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So the first exercise we are going to do, the only thing that we're actually going to do is I want you to go inside your kitchen. I want you to get a spoon. So you're going to get the spoon wherever the hickey is. You're going to rub the hickey with the spoon for exactly 5 minutes straight. You have to make sure you put a timer on your phone or you watch the clock for 5 minutes because it's a minimum of 5 minutes. So for most people, I would say like 90% people, after 5 minutes of rubbing it back and forth, it should go away. For the other 10% of people, you might have to do it for another 3 to 5 minutes. So for most cases, it should take 5 minutes. In some cases, it might take 8 to 10 minutes. What's going to happen is the area surrounding the hickey is going to get very, very red. That's normal. That should happen. That's just from all the rubbing. That goes away in about 10 minutes or so. But while you're rubbing, the hickey's going to start to vanish while you do it. And after, like I said, 5 to 10 minutes, it's going to be completely gone. I've done this over 10 times and it works. Guaranteed it works, 100%. Because to get rid of a hickey is just a bruise. By rubbing it, all you're doing is you're putting blood flow through it. And blood flow actually heals the bruise. That's all you're doing. It's very simple. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.